Hello mga ka-tester. Today is another day, another video to share with you guys. Okay, today we're going to try to cook fish. It's the daing na bangus. Okay, and somebody asked me how big is this one. Okay, this one is 5.8 quarts. And this is XL and 1700 watts. And somebody asked too, how much is this one? This one, when I check on the price online, it's 140 Canadian dollars. Okay, and today we're going to try to cook the fish. Okay, I have daing na bangus in here. This is boneless baby bangus, and we're gonna try if this one how to cook in air fryer. I have to turn it later. Okay, I'm gonna try the fish. It says 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Yeah, we try it. And we're just gonna check it later what's happening on 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this one, and later in 5 minutes we're going to check inside what's happening. Okay, it's 6 minutes. We're almost done. In 5 minutes we're going to check it what's happening inside. I think I have to turn it this one because the fish is going not good. I didn't put it good. Okay, we're going to check it. It's cooking. Okay, I didn't put it the fish wrong way. Okay, like this. Sorry guys, first time. There you go. I crushed the bangus. It's supposed to be like that. Can you see it, guys? It's supposed to be like that. Okay, Start it. Sorry guys, that's my first time. Supposed to be I put it like that angle, but I put it like side by side. It's no, supposed to be its angle. So it's gonna cook well. Almost done guys. 2 more minutes. Okay guys, this is my air fryer. It says in here, air fryer 5.8 quarts, 1700 watts, electric stainless steel air fryer oven for roasting, baking, grilling, 7 cooking preset, preheat, appointment function, and LED digital touchscreen nonstick. Wow. And there's a 32 recipe book included in this one. And by the way, it's $139.99 Canadian dollar, and there's a $25 coupon if you're going to order it on Amazon. That's what it says. Thank you for my sponsor, Virginia Cara. Thank you very much. Okay, we're almost there. 1 minute. There you go. It's gonna shut down by itself. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Nice and cooked, but I want a little bit crunchy. But we can make it crunchy. Can you see it, guys? Like that there. See that there? It's cooked already, but you know, when we fry it, we like it more crunchy. Maybe I'm gonna put it 5 more minutes on 350. Okay, see, let's experiment. That's why we're here to test it. Okay, don't put your hands too far because the exhaust is right there. That's the hot part. This one is the one. It's okay. Don't go. Is it hot here? Not really. Hot here? No, it's not. But in here it's hot. But you know, be careful when you're doing this one. Okay, now I'm gonna do my own preset. I'm going to put on 350. And 5 minutes. Okay. Try it. Boom. I hope I'm not gonna burn it. I think it's okay. We're going to check it in 3 minutes. 2 minutes left. We're going to check it. Okay, 2 minutes. Let's go check it. Surprise, surprise. Oh, it's okay. Wow. We're going to do it maybe 2 more. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The head is crunchy already. And it's perfectly cooked already. But I want crunchier. I'm gonna put it. We're gonna finish it on 2 more minutes. Go! Done. See, no more frying, no more oil that you're, when you cook it, it's like lipstick on you. Ouch, ouch. That's what I don't like it when I'm doing frying fish. Now here it's easy. We're done. Okay, that's it. We're done. Don't touch this one, guys. That's gonna be a hot one. See, look at that. Look at that. Perfectly cooked and crunchy too. See that? Yum, yum, yum. Daing na bangus. Daing na bangus. This is a baby bangus. It's boneless. Boneless baby bangus. See? It's crunchy. Everything is crunchy. It's good. Okay, guys, see you next time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.